If you're holding a real estate note, chances are you got it because you sold a property using seller financing. Maybe you needed to sell quickly. Maybe the buyer couldn't qualify for a traditional bank loan. Or maybe you wanted the steady income from monthly payments. I'm Phil Gorman, and today I'm going to walk you through exactly how seller financing works, how it made you a note holder, and what that means for you now. Seller financing is when you, the property seller, act as the bank. Instead of the buyer getting a mortgage from a traditional lender, you finance the sale yourself. Here's how it typically works. The buyer gives you a down payment, let's say 10 or 20%. Then you create a promissory note that says they'll pay you the rest over time with interest in monthly installments. You hold the note. They make payments to you, just like they would to a bank. The property itself acts as collateral, meaning if they stop paying, you have the legal right to take it back. So why would you agree to seller financing in the first place? There are a few common reasons. 1. It helps you sell the property faster. Not every buyer qualifies for a bank loan. By offering seller financing, you open the door to more potential buyers. 2. You earn interest on the loan. Instead of getting all cash up front and then having to invest it somewhere else, you're earning a return directly from the sale. And 3, it can create steady monthly income. For some sellers, especially those in or near retirement, that predictable cash flow is very appealing. So now you're a note holder. What does that mean? It means you own an asset. That note isn't just a piece of paper, it's property, just like a house or a car. And just like any asset, you have options. You can keep it and collect those monthly payments for years. You can sell it for a lump sum of cash if you need money now. Or you can sell part of it, keeping some future income while getting cash today. The choice is yours. So that's seller financing in a nutshell, and that's how you became a note holder. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'm breaking down everything you need to know about real estate notes in short, practical videos you can actually use. And if you want to learn how to maximize the value of your note, download my free report, 5 Insider Tips to Maximize the Value of Your Trust Deed Note. Link is below. I'm Phil Gorman. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.